Hi, I'm Ma Shelley, the pond plant girl, and I'm excited today because I just got this from Amazon. The shipping was really quick. It's the BN Link 25-foot power extension cord. It's 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1875 watts. And what this is advertised for is for setting up your Christmas decorations or any outdoor decorations. But what I'm going to use it for is my well, because out by my well, I need to cover it up in the winter and keep a lamp out there to keep it warm from freezing. However, our property is on low-lying land. So this is really cool because it has a stake that will hold all this up above ground to keep it from getting soaking wet. And it's also advertised as waterproof. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. So here we go. We've got instructions, our handy dandy stake. And even though this is plastic, it looks really sturdy. And that holds it up a good ways. And it just screws right on here. So come with me and let's hook this up and get some power and some heat to my well before winter hits. One thing that I really love about this nifty extension cord is that it has an on-off switch on the top. That's really handy, especially when it's cold outside. All right, so let's take care of my water pump for my well, and we'll get this stake on like so. And let's get her in the ground and powered up. Let's stick her in the ground. And that's all you need to do. Let's plug her in. And we're ready to go. Anything that's easy for me will be easy for you. Let's get our lamp plugged in. That's it. I like how it's above the ground. Now, let's put this where it goes. You want it away from your plastic PVC pipes, just in case the lamp gets too hot. And I have mine right here on a brick. And it'll be safe right there. All right, let's talk about the well itself. Well, here's my water well system. But first, I want to let you know why it was so important for me to get the yardstake. And that's because here in southeast Texas, where I live, near the coast, we can get a couple inches or more of standing water on the ground. And during Harvey, oh my goodness, there was more than a foot of water here where the well is now. And so it's so important for me to have this yardstake so I can get the electricals off the ground. Let's get her covered up. If I can do it, you can do it too. The next thing I'm going to do is put bricks around to keep the tarp down from blowing away and to keep the lamp safe and dry. I've got good news for you. You can find the yardstake on Amazon and get 15% off using the promo code. The link is in the description. Well, good luck with whatever project you have in mind with using the 6-outlet yardstake.